Good morning, children. Today we will take another identity, that is x plus a into x plus b. It will give the result x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. If we, for the verification, we multiply both the binomials, x plus a to x plus b will give the result x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. We will try to understand the identity by solving some examples. The first is x plus 6 and x plus 7. So here we use x plus a into x plus b, that is x square plus a plus b x plus ab. X we take as x and a as 6 and b as 7. We substitute the value x square plus 6 plus 7 into x plus 6 into 7. So x square 6 plus 7 13x into 7 into 7 6 is 42. So we'll get the result x square plus 13x plus 42. Now we take another 2y, example 2y plus 3 into 2y minus 5. Here x is 2y, a is 3 and b is minus 5. We substitute the value in identity, 2y square plus 3 plus minus 5 into 2y plus 3 into minus 5. So 2y square is 4y square, 3 minus 5 into 2y minus 15. It will give 4y square plus minus 2 into 2y minus 15. So 4y square minus 4y minus 15. We take another example, that is 2x minus 5 and 2x minus 8. Here x is 2x, a is minus 5 and b is minus 8. We substitute the value, 2x square minus 5 plus minus 8 into 2x plus 5 minus 5 into minus 8. So it will give 4x square minus both the minus 5 and minus 8 into 2x plus minus into minus plus 40. So it will give me the result 4x square minus 13x into 2 plus 40. That will be 4x square minus 26 plus x plus 40. Now we solve the questions based on the numerical values, like the product of 106 and 109 by using the identity x plus a, x plus b, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. We write 106 as 100 plus 6, 109 is 100 plus 9. 100 square plus 6 plus 9 into 100 plus 9 into 6. 100 square is 10,000 plus 6 and 9 become 15 into 100 plus 54. So 10,000 plus 1500 plus 54 will give the value 11,554. The next one is 104 into 97. 104 will be 100 plus 4 and 197 is 100 minus 3. So 100 square 4 minus 3 into 100 plus 4 into minus 3. 100 square 10,000, 1 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 into 100 minus 12. We'll get 88, 100 minus 12 is 88, 88 plus 10,000 become 10,088. Now we use another identity, that is a plus b plus c whole square, the square of trinomial. That will give is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. The verification, we write the a plus b plus c whole square as the two part, a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. We find the product of trinomial to trinomial, so a into a plus b plus c plus b into a plus b plus c plus c into a plus b plus c will give the result a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Now we try to understand the identity with an example, x plus y plus 2z whole square. Here we take a as x, b as y and c as 2x, 2z. So x plus y plus 2z whole square become x square plus y square plus 2z square plus 2 into x into y plus 2 into y into 2z plus 2 into 2z into x. That result will be x square plus y square plus 4z square plus 2xy plus 4yz plus 4zx. The next one is 3a minus 2b plus c whole square. Here we take a as 3a, b is minus 2b and c is c. We substitute the value in the identity, 3a square plus minus 2b whole square plus c square plus 2 into 3a into minus 2b plus 2 into minus 2b into c plus 2 into c into 3a. The square of 3 is 9a square plus 4b square plus c square, minus into plus become minus 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2 12ab minus into plus again, minus 2 into 2 4 BC, and here plus 2 into 3 6 AC. We have one example, that is if a square plus b square plus c square is 20, ab plus bc plus ac is 8, then find the value of a plus b plus c. We'll take because a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. We write this right hand side part in such a way that a square plus b square plus c square, here we take 2a's common, so 2 into a plus ab plus bc plus ac. Now substitute the value, a square plus b square plus c square equals to 20. Here 2 into 8 16, 20 plus 16 is 36. Now a plus b plus c whole square equals to 6 whole square. 36 is the square of 6. So we take the square root both the sides, so we'll get the value of a plus b plus c is plus or minus 6. Another example, that is p plus q plus r is 16, pq plus qr plus pr is 25, then find the value of p square plus q square plus r square. We take the first part, p plus q plus r is 16. We take the square to both the side, p plus q plus r whole square equals to 16 squares. P square plus q square plus 2 is r square plus 2pq plus 2qr plus 2pr equals to 256. P plus p square plus q square plus r square, here we take 2 as common, so 2 into pq plus qr plus pr equals to 256. We'll substitute the value of this bracket is 25. 2 into 25 is 50. 50 we shift that side, so p square plus q square plus r square equals to 256 minus 50. We'll get the value 2 p square plus q square plus r square equals to 206. We take another set of the identities, that is a plus b whole cube. This is a cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube will be a cube. 3ab multiplied a plus b become 3a cube is 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Likewise in minus part, the identity is negative, a minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3ab, a minus b cube, so a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. The example is x plus 2y whole cube. Here a is x and b is 2y. We use the upper identity a plus b whole cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. X plus 2y whole cube is x square, x cube plus 3 into x square into 2y plus 3 into x into 2y whole square plus 2y cube. So x cube plus 3 into 2 6x square y, 6x square y. Here 2y square is 4y square, 4y square into 3 is 12xy square, and 2y cube is 8y cube. We'll take another example, that is 2x minus 3y is whole cube. We use the identity a minus b whole cube is a cube minus 3ab, a minus b cube. So a as 2x and b as 3y. 2x cube minus 3 into 2xy into 3y, 2x minus 3y minus 3 cube. 8x cube minus 18, 2 into 3 6 into 3 18xy into 2x minus 3y minus 27y cube. Here 8x whole cube, 18 into 2x, 18xy into 2x, so x into x, 18 into 2 36, x 36x square y. This minus and this minus become plus. 18 into 3 54, x y into y square minus 27. Likewise we can solve the different example based on this example. We'll take, that is 100 and the square cube of 103. 103 will be written as 100 plus 3 whole cube. Use a cube, a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3ab plus into a plus b cube. A is 100 and b is 3. 100 plus 3 whole cube, that is 100 is cube plus 3 into 100 into 3 into 100 plus 3 plus 3 cube. 100 cube means 10 lakh. 3 into 3 900 into 100 plus 3 is plus 27. 10 lakh. 900 into 100 is 90,000. 900 into 3 2700 plus 27. We add all the value, it will give the value 10 lakh 92,727. Now we find out 96 whole cube. 96 will be written 100 minus 4 whole cube. So we substitute the value in the second identity, a minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3ab, a into minus b cube. So 100 cube minus 3 into 100 into 4, 100 minus 4 into minus 4 cube. 100 cube is 10 lakh. It is 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 100, 100, 100 minus 4 minus 64. 10 lakh minus 1200 into 100, 1 lakh 20,000, minus into minus plus 1200 into 4, 4800 minus 64. We aid in subtractions, so we'll get the value 88,400, 8,84,736 as the product. Now we condense that the same identity we solve. A plus a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, that will give a plus b whole cube. Here we have example 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So 8a cube will be written as 2a whole cube. The b cube is b cube, 3 into 2a square into b plus 3 2a into b square. So plus first term 2a, then plus, then last term is b. So 2a plus b whole cube. We take, that is a cube. Another part is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square will be a minus b whole cube. We take one example based on this, that is 27 minus 135a plus 225a square minus 125a cube. The cube root of 27 is 3, so 3 whole cube. Then cube root of 125 is 5a whole cube. Minus, we use that a cube, then last minus b cube, then minus 3 into 3 square into 5a plus 3 into 3 into 5a square. So last part is first part 3, then last part minus 5a whole cube. Now we take one more example, that is 27p cube plus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p plus 1 by 216. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube equals to a plus b whole cube. 3p whole cube plus 3 into 3p square into 1 by 6 plus 3 into 3p into 1 by 6 whole square plus 1 by 6 whole cube. So first part term is 3p and the last term is 1 by 6. 3p plus 1 by 6 whole cube is the condensed part of the following, the factorization of the first cubic polynomial. So this way we will solve the questions based on these identities. If you, now you have given some homework, so try to do solve these questions. If you have any problem, you can ask me.